Hi, and welcome to Learn How to Tap Dance Online for free. My name is Julie, and in this tap dance video, I'm going to show you a tap dancing challenge. So each week, the challenges are going to be posted here on this YouTube page, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our weekly challenges or contests because they do come with rewards. Each week, the person who wins the Tap Dance Challenge will get a free online private lesson with me, no matter what time zone they're in. I'll find the best time that works for you. And also, just for participating, you receive gold taps. They're like gold stars, and those can be redeemed for prizes as well. Another part of this challenge is going to be recording yourself doing the steps. So it's not that easy to just jump with your feet right in front of a camera. You'll see, even though your face isn't on camera, it's still a little intimidating, but it's also a lot of fun. To submit your entry, look in the description of this video for our free Facebook group where you can see all of the videos and information about our free online tap dance lessons. And you can private message me a video of yourself doing the combination through that Facebook group, or you can even post your video directly to our Facebook page to share with everybody. So let's get to it. Happy tapping! In this tap dance video, I'm teaching myself how to do a ripple or a Hoofer's shuffle. So I actually only heard of this recently and I've been wanting to try it, and I want you to see my progression. I just started before videoing and I got like one, but I want you to see the frustration involved, and anybody can eventually learn how to do it. Nope, nope. Nope. So what it is a side, a toe, and a spank. Oh, there was one. Did you hear it? Was that it? Ugh. I'm going to move the camera back. So I gotta say, there we go. There was one that ever since I started these free online tap dance videos and Zoom classes, my left foot, forget it. It's just like no way. It's like my leg is asleep. Ever since I started these classes, about a month ago, there it is. Oh, stop talking. Start rippling. There. Nope. I have danced more than I've danced before, and I've owned a dance school for children and adults for now 16 years, 15 and a half years. And now, there it is! I'm watching tap dance videos, and I'm like, ooh, nope. I really never did before. I mean, I would watch movies and like choreography for entertainment, not, there we go, oh, not for teaching purposes. Left leg, it's like I don't even have a left leg. What? I didn't try the left leg at all before recording either. I just started with my right. There we go. Nope. Okay, so again, it's side. I think it's a brush sideways like that, and then a brush or a spank back. Goes like this, somehow. Oh, is that it? Let me fix the camera again. Here we go. Nope. Oop. Oh, was that it? My left leg is killing me. Nope. 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 I'm not even sure I'm going to post this, but I think it's good for you guys to see that I'm just a tap dancer like you, still learning and growing. My left leg not at all, like not even close. So should we have like tap talks with Julie and I just ramble? Oh, there it was! Did you hear it? Okay, so I know I gotta be loose as a goose. Nope. Nope. You gotta be loose in the hip. My left hip is killing me. There's like no hope for my left foot. Come on, right foot. Ah, there it was! Did you see that? Nope. 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 What a mess. Jeez, I have no control over my left foot. Ooh, should we try from the back? In case some of you don't know what it is. Like I didn't until last week. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, there it was! I hope I was on camera. Yes! I was actually trying them when I was at the store today. I was waiting online at Kohl's. And if you've ever been to a Kohl's or any kind of retail store, they just have the floor that screams, tap on me. Oh, I think I did it. Oh, I actually am excited that I never used to video my own tap before. So it's actually been really fun. I know it sounds vain, doesn't it? To watch my own improv, because I used to just mess around to improv on my own. And if I caught myself doing something that I felt good doing or that I liked, I would then, use it in a dance I was choreographing. So I used to put on a song for like my students that I was using for the recital and just do whatever to it. But anyway, now that I've been recording my improv to make videos, yeah. Is that it? I've been watching the improvs and seeing things like I didn't even know I was doing. And this might be like football coaches record their players to critique. Maybe I'll see what I'm doing wrong. Buddy, come look. Santino, come and look, I got it. Ugh. Oh. What is wrong with my left leg? My left leg can't do it at all. I'm recording. So my son was with me at Kohl's today when I started trying to do it in my sneakers. That was it. Nope. And he just made fun of my left leg as well. It's like, it's not even... I'll just shuffle on this side. Oh, so actually, good point. If you have like a ripple exercise, or combo or training like how to do it kind of thing, how to learn ripples, please tell me. Because I'm trying so hard on my right leg now that my left leg is killing me. Okay, thanks for watching my learn how to do ripples by myself. Comment what I'm needing improvement on. Give me some tips.